Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you are new here, and I am a makeup beginner who unboxes makeup subscription boxes. So today I have for you the March Birchbox, and in my last video I unboxed the February Birchbox, and that was my very first one, and I think I mentioned that it was like natural and like vegan beauty products, but I don't think that's the case. I can't really find anything that really confirms that it's like vegan. Okay, so last time I think I got either 6 or 7 like sample products from Birchbox. So let's see what March has in store for us today. Okay, so this is what the box is looking like. I love how like every month it's going to be like a different like little textured box. It's so cute. I think this time I'm going to actually read the card. I didn't do that last time, so you know. Look at this orange wrapping paper. It's so cute. Alright, so first up we have this Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. It feels super light. I don't know why. Oh, this is like a hair product. I would have never known. CC cream, you would definitely think, oh, you're gonna put on your face. No, it is a hair cream. It smells like a cream, I don't know, and it's just like this white. I've never put a CC cream in my hair before, but we'll see. I'll have to investigate what kind of ingredients there is because I'm like really picky about stuff in my hair, as I mentioned in the last video. Next up we got something from Wander Beauty. It's for lip and cheek. It's in the color Double Date. Right, it's like a cream, blush, and lip. Ooh, it feels very soft. It just kind of like melts. Let's swatch this baby. It's a very light pink. Next up, we got something from Floss. Oh, it's a lip gloss. My new favorite lip gloss. We'll see about that. I don't really use lip glosses, to be honest with you. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla cake or something. Excuse me if like the mirror gets in the way. I don't know. Okay, it feels very nice. Doesn't feel very sticky. Maybe a little bit. Next up, we have this hair plumping mousse by Orib. Smells like mousse, you know. Alright, next up we have this exfoliating dual texture scrubber from Daily Concepts. We could definitely use this on like elbows and stuff. And it's pretty scratchy. I think it'll do great. Okay, so I got the little card that tells us like how much stuff was. So let's see how much this box cost in a sense. Anti-aging CC cream, that was $29. The daily scrubber, the exfoliator thing, that was $10. The lip gloss is $16. The mousse is $39. And the little guy from Wander Beauty is $22. 9 plus 10 plus 6. So the value of this Birchbox, well, it's actually not. It wouldn't be like the value of the Birchbox because this is just like, okay, because this is just like samples. But like, okay, right, so I guess I don't know why. Why the heck would they? Why would it care, or why would they? I don't know. So some things are samples, some things are full size. Or no. I don't know. I'm freaking confused. Everything came up to be 116. I don't know what that really means, whatever. Alright guys, that is it to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below I don't know, what was like your favorite thing that I got, or what, if you are a subscriber to Birchbox as well, like what kind of things did you get? And if you aren't already, please subscribe to my vlog channel. I will leave the link down below in the description box. And if you're also not following me on Instagram, please do so. I will leave my handle right here. Yeah, my Instagram. It is like really popping over there. Like, it's a good time. You should go. I'm just kidding. It's like really dead over there. I have like no followers. So like, please follow me if you want to. Alright guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye!